Hi, Tiffany here, Curly Beauty 13. Do you like my hairstyle? It's a little different. What do you think I did? Do you think I got a haircut? Do you think that I used a curling iron? What do you think? This is some nice curls. They're soft and bouncy. If you'd like to know how I achieved these curls, please let me know and I'll do a video. Thanks for checking in. Bye. Hi, and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. My name is Tiffany, and I'm glad you're here with me today. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a CurlBox. I'm not sure which CurlBox this is, but I will put it right here, or I'll let you know in a sec. So let's get this open. Before I do that, I just want to show my shirt. If you like this shirt, check out whitepalm.com. This is the Girl Boss shirt. This one is a special edition. It has a special background personalized there. So we can do something like that for you if you're interested. If you have any questions, you can email us at studio@whitepalm.com and we'd be more than happy to help you with a custom order. Back to the program. So today is a CurlBox unboxing. This is the CurlBox. So this is the January 2021 CurlBox, and it is full of a brand that I used a long time ago before I really loved my curly hair. This is a little booklet that it comes with, and let's just hop right in. So the first thing that jumped out at me is this Carolsdaughter, that's the brand, it's an Oatmeal Bar Soap. It's almond cookie. Smells good. So this is an exfoliator and it helps dry skin. Here it is. Next is this is a 1.4 ounce KARITE COCO. It's a velvet body cream. It doesn't have a strong smell. Okay, next I see COCO Cream Curl Quenching Shampoo. It's for very dry, curly to coily hair. This sounds like it's gonna smell good. So that's this. And also the conditioner to go with it. And last but not least is a Prokaxy Nectar, and it's a style control gel. And that's this right here. I actually can't wait to try this. I don't know if I'll try the gel alone or what, but I'll use the shampoo and conditioner and try this gel. It says touchable hold, so that sounds like it feels nice. Okay, so can't wait to try these. This is actually pretty exciting for me. This is for skin. It really doesn't have to do with hair, but I don't mind this because I got 3 full-size products that will be for my hair, and the weather is dry right now. My skin probably does need this love. Thanks for watching this unboxing with me. If you use any of these products, please let me know. I'd love to know how you like them, and I'll see you when I use them. Bye.